These shoes I got for free. Have you ever wanted to get stuff for free? Anything you want, you can get for free. Sounds too good to be true, but it isn't. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff. And I'm not going to tell you to go buy my course or anything like that. I'm going to tell you for free. My name's Jack.F and I help content creators earn money through making videos. So there's two parts to this. The part is where you have a following, which is influencer marketing. And then the second part is where most people and I fall into, is where you don't have a following and all you got is your phone. And you want to still, make content, etc, etc. So UGC, I'll get into the influencer part in a minute. UGC stands for user generated content. It's basically you sit down with your phone, you film a video for a brand, and you don't have to post it to your social medias. You do it for the brand, and then the brand will post it to their social medias. It's basically influencer marketing without being an influencer. But you might be thinking, Jack, it's all well and good, you're a videographer, you've got this big flashy camera, you've got lenses up there, I'm just a guy with my iPhone, I've only got this little thing. And that is exactly the point. You can do it on your phone. All the stuff that I do, minus these YouTube videos, I shoot on my phone. You don't need a big flashy camera. The barrier to entry for UGC and making content is practically nothing. All you need is your phone. And most people, 99% of the population on this earth, have some variation of a phone. And that's it. You can literally get started doing it. You don't need a big fancy camera. You don't need a tripod. Even though a tripod does help, you can literally, when I got started in content creation over 7 years ago, I set up my phone on some books next to my windowsill and used the natural light from the sun to light myself, and I just talked. Posted that content on my social medias and boom, there we go. 16-year-old Jack. It was quite a learning experience, but that's how I got started. But if you do want, a bit of a nice setup, I got this. This is a very, very cheap plastic. I mean, the leg's gone on it as well. It's a very, very cheap, beginner-friendly tripod with lights. I got this for $5 off TikTok shop. I'll leave a link down there below. It's very, very cheap. It's $5. But what this is going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to have setup anywhere. So you're not dependent on, being near a window or having a stack of books to prop your phone up on. You can use this. The lights are pretty decent. The lights are good. You've got different modes as well. You've got a warm one, a soft one, then you've got a bit of hybrid of the two. I've literally generated thousands of pounds using this. So how do we actually go about getting these brands? There's two main ways. You've got outbound and inbound leads. Outbound is easy to do because you don't need a following, you don't need to be posting content. I'm going to go over both. Let's start with the easiest, which is outbound. So basically you will go and find some brands that you like the look of. Let's say I want to get into tech. I'm going to get a list together of tech brands that I want to work with. I'm going to go onto their website and I'm going to go find the contact page. I'm going to fill out the form. I'm going to ring the number. I'm going to get that email and send them an email. And if you want to know what kind of email template you should be using, I'll leave it on screen now, or you can download it, link in the description for brands. But it's a very, very simple pitch, basically. Hey, I'm a content creator / UGC creator. I'm getting started in the tech industry, lifestyle industry, beauty industry, whatever. Plug in your stuff there. I'm looking to build my portfolio. Would you be open to sending me a free product in exchange for a video that I film, and then you can use that on your social medias as marketing material, etc, etc. Do that 10, 20 times and I guarantee you will have a response, and more than likely you will have, free stuff, because it's very hard for people to turn down free stuff, free marketing content as well. But before you do that, you need something, you need a portfolio. You need to actually showcase what you can do. So what I suggest you do is you go around your house and you already use what you've got. So let's say I want to get into beauty. I'm going to raid my sisters, my girlfriends, beauty cabinet. I'm going to go pull out some stuff and I'm going to do a quick 30-second to 60-second video shot on my phone showcasing the products. Or it doesn't even have to be a head talking video. You can do a bunch of B-roll, you can literally film a bunch of clips and then plug that into CapCut or any editing software and do a voiceover, and then put that on Google Drive, or if you want to be a little bit more sophisticated, you can go on some free like canva.com and you can use a template on there. There's plenty of templates to make a portfolio, and then you can use this in your email pitch to say, hey, you know, I'm getting started in the tech industry as a content creator. I'd love to work with you. Here's an example of my work, your link, your website, send it off 10 times, boom, they say, yes, I want to work with you. Let's get it going. I mean, I'm literally using this in my own life at the moment. I want to get one of those robots, those little Hoover robots for free. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be sending out a bunch of emails to a bunch of companies saying, hey, this is my portfolio, this is who I am, this is what I do. Branching out into the tech industry, would you be willing to send me a free robot that I keep in exchange for some marketing materials? If you want to see the BTS of that, do let me know. But yeah, that is basically how you get brands coming to you for outbound. Now inbound, this inbound only really happens once you've got some stuff to your name. So you've got a couple of brands already, you know, sending you stuff. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take that content, you're gonna post it on these 3 main platforms. You're gonna post it on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, or X. I'm always gonna call it Twitter. X, Twitter, same thing. You're gonna post it on these 3 main platforms because these are the 3 main platforms that marketing managers, PR agencies look for content creators to, you know, work with, etc, etc. So you're gonna make a profile and you're gonna post the content on there, but you're gonna use specific hashtags, hashtag content creator, hashtag male, female, UGC creator, hashtag female UGC content creator for hire, etc, etc. So you're gonna keep posting that content, you know, reviews, whatever, but you also need to post additional content. You need to post like every single day, and most people haven't got the portfolio, or you know, the brand is coming in to post every single day. So what you're also going to do in addition to posting your portfolio is you're going to be posting videos like this, talking head videos, or a get ready with me, or a voiceover, basically content that will support your portfolio. But it's got to be targeted specific to your client or your prospects. So let's say I'm trying to target UGC creators. I'm trying to sell a course to UGC creators. I'm going to start making content that helps them. I'm going to put out content, you know, how to get, like literally this video, how to get brands reaching out to you as a content creator. So keep putting out content and you will get inbound leads, and make sure you have your portfolio and your email in your bio, because a lot of PR agencies and marketing guys will not go and search through your portfolio to go find a contact email. Make it very easy. Remove all the barriers. Make it as easy as possible for them to find your email. Put it in your bio, say contact me here, email, da 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 da. Make it easy as possible for them to contact you. And that, in a nutshell, is how you get stuff for free as a content creator. So if you have any questions, do let me know. I'm always happy to help you guys out. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.